Swiss roll cakes are popular desserts in Japan, made by rolling thinly baked sponge cake and filling it with cream, jam, or fruit. These cakes are so popular in Japan that you can even find them at convenience stores. Today we will show you how to make a simple roll cake with cream. Line a square pan with a parchment paper and preheat the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Sift the cake flour a couple of times. Put eggs and sugar in a bowl and mix with a whisk over a double boiler so sugar dissolves. When it becomes lukewarm, remove it from the stove and whisk at high speed with a hand mixer for about 5 minutes, or until it becomes a thick, fluffy texture where the batter leaves traces when lifted with the whisk. Add the cake flour in 2 parts and gently fold it in from the bottom using a rubber spatula. Once the first half is mixed, add the rest of the flour and fold gently. Once the flour is fully incorporated and there are no lumps, add the milk, oil, and vanilla, and continue to gently fold from the bottom until combined. Pour the batter onto the prepared baking sheet and smooth the surface evenly. Bake in a preheated oven for 12 to 14 minutes. Once baked, immediately remove from the baking sheet and let it cool on a wire rack. When the cake has cooled completely, place the cake on a piece of parchment paper with brown side down and peel off the parchment from the cake. Make shallow cuts about ½ inch wide across the entire surface. And trim about ½ inch from the back side where the roll ends diagonally. Next, we will make the whipped cream. Put the heavy cream and sugar in a bowl and whip until stiff peaks form. Spread the whipped cream evenly over the entire surface of the cake. Apply a thicker layer towards the front edge for easier rolling and a thinner layer toward the back. While lifting the parchment paper with both hands, roll the cake swiftly toward the back side and insert a ruler at the end of the roll and firmly tighten the cake, just like that. Position the end of the roll down and chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, or 2 to 3 hours if you can. Remove the parchment paper and slice and serve. Swiss roll cake is simple and tasty with a flavor that everyone would love. Make it for your family or bring it to your friends as a gift. We are sure they'll be delighted.
美味しい。
美味しいね。